Hi, it's Annette here. It feels like it's been ages since I've filmed. However, we got up today, got ready, had to go and pick a parcel up from a pick-up point and took Lola for a walk down the beach. So I thought, perfect. Kind of a bit of a miserable day, we're doing nothing else, so I thought I would pop upstairs and do some filming. So, my nail polish pan. Those were all the colours that I added and I used them all this month. I'll just quickly talk you through what I used and then we'll pick some new colours. I finished one and I gave one away, so I'm doing not too bad. So I used this quite a lot, the Nails Inc Chelsea Embankment. It's quite nice over another colour as well. So I got some use out of that. Again, I used this OPI colour. However, what I had to do was put this on first and then put this on the top because it really badly stains my nails. So yeah, you can see I've used this. I wore it on its own and then put the green kind of Nails Inc over it. I also used a fair wee bit of this one as well, and the colour that I'm wearing today is the OPI, what's this called? Big Apple Red. So I thought that was quite festive. I put the Leighton Denny on my nails, that was really nice and bright. And you can never go wrong with the Barry M Liquid Chrome. What I love about this is it dries really, really quickly. So I used that a fair bit, and you only need like one coat, 2 coats at most. So that was fab. I continue to wear this Nails Inc Shake Your Feathers. I think it's maybe Shake Your Tail Feather or Shake Your Feathers. Continue to use this kind of on my toenails. I don't always do a line, but if I've used a substantial amount, then I'll pop a wee line in, and I could probably fit another line in there. I used this. This is one of my favourite colours, the Nails Inc Bobble Bobble Baby. It's kind of purpley pink, really nice. And I used up this, not finished it, but the Super Gel Punk Rock. Used a fair wee bit of that. It was really nice on, and I finished. And I didn't think I was going to finish anything last month, if you remember. I finished the Emery Nails Cocoa because actually what happened today was when I went out, I looked down at my fingernails and noticed they were all chipped. So the good thing with the Emery, the colour of it, is that even if it just chips slightly when you're out, you don't really notice it. So even though I always seem to be always painting my nails, it's just the thing, sod's law, isn't it, that you go out and they're going to chip. So I've done another coat before I came on, but I'll probably take them off tomorrow and put a fresh colour on. I also used some of this Sally Hansen Miracle Gel as a nice wee top coat to give my nails a little bit of a shine. I don't know what Lola hears. But my nails were in pretty bad condition. They were flaking, they were splitting, so I did give them a little bit of a rest, and I used the CND Daily Keratin treatment. I really highly recommend that. Could do a wee separate video on that if you're interested. So I'm gonna pop this in my empties, and I think I'm gonna kind of go for a whole new set of colours. So I'm gonna push these ones to one side. I'm probably going to pick quite a few neutrally colours for this month because I will be going into the office a few times. So here are the colours that I have left. So I think a few people said they like to kind of see me rummaging through the box. So I'll just lift it up. So this colour here, the Legit My Mood, it's a vegan longwear nail polish. That is really nice. I'm going to pick that one. I am going to also take the Nailberry Love Me Tender colour. Those dry really quickly as well. So those are one of my favourite polishes. What else will we pick? Just because the liquid chrome is such a nice colour and it dries really quickly, I'm going to pop that in. I want something a bit brighter. So the Nailberry, I think this is a strawberry one. That's really pretty on. And what else are we going to go for? For something a wee bit different, eh? I'll try and get something a wee bit different. I'm going to pick this one as well, Nailberry. And the Primark, I sent one of these to Julie, Juella Primark polish, that's really nice. And we're going to pick one more one more for luck. I'm going to pick the Looking Super Juicy. So, I'm going to say goodbye to these other ones. Goodbye. As long as I can put them all back in. If I can't, I might need to pick out another couple of colours just so I can get some in the box. Okay, so what I am also going to pick out is the Nailberry 45 Seconds Speedy Gloss. I don't think I've used this. It's Meet Me on Regent Street. So I can let you know if it is actually Speedy Gloss next month. Pop away the OPI ones. Okay, one more colour. I'm just going to do a lucky dip. Pick it out here. Golden Sands number 7. That is gorgeous. Nice on your fingernails and on your toenails. I never have my fingernails and toenails matching. Even when I went on holiday, I went and got my nails done for it, and I got 2 different colours, and I was looking around and everybody had like matching fingernails and toenails, and I thought, oh, well, so I went for shellac, and I thought that'd be handy for holiday, but I'm a picker and it can really damage your nails picking them, and I can't be bothered with the faff of getting them off. So what I might do is kind of, Mother's Day is coming up, so I might request a couple of the, it's the same company that do shellac, but it's their 7-day polish, which is Vinylux. So I've had that before in Beauty, was it Beauty Queen or Butterfly Queen? It is gorgeous. But my favourite kind of shellac for Christmas is the Ruby Red Slipper, sparkly red one. And I've never seen that in the Vinylux, so I will have a wee look. I think I do need to add some more kind of spring colours here. They're either all dark pink or very kind of neutral. So I might add some kind of different colours, maybe some pastel shades and things like that. So I would say I'm trying not to buy, but maybe adding some in for Mother's Day might be a good idea. So I'm going to show you what I've picked out. This is my scrappy list, by the way, that had all my nail polishes on. And what I do when I buy a new nail polish is I just put a little dab of the colour and I keep track of when I've kind of used them up on this. So it is looking a wee bit scrappy. Right, so I'm going to pop them in here. So it's the Nails Inc 45 Seconds, Meet Me on Regent Street. The Looking Super Juicy, because I think that looks really nice. The Golden Sands, I'll probably wear that on my toenails. The Legit My Mood, the vegan polish. The 2 Nailberries. Oh no, 3 Nailberries this month. The Primark polish is quite dark, but it's nice on. And the Barry M Chrome polish. So, wish me luck. I don't know why I said wish me luck, it's only nail polish. But yeah, let me know if you're interested in joining in, or if you're doing kind of at home trying to use things up. I will be talking a bit more about that on my Year of Less video. And if you've not already joined, if you want to go to that video, there is a link to the page that I've set up, which Bryony really helped me kind of get that set up, and she's actually just done a wee logo for it, which is really kind for her to do that. So the aim of that group is to use things up, set yourself goals, whether it's, you know, to cut back, because I couldn't do a low buy, no buy, just doesn't work for me. Whether you want to pay off debt, save some money, or just use up products, or come and get some money saving tips. So there will be things going on there, like some recipes. If there's anything that's kind of a good deal, we can share them on there. So anyway, I'm going to go because I've got another couple of videos to film, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye bye guys.